Alright. This is, I probably should put my work boots on, but.
Go back up in case it's like loud. There we go.
This is the mouse house.
Hello.
I don't know what the deal is with this. Yeah. So,
Well.
April 6th, 2022, we did a thing.
We did a thing.
We bought a house. Kareen's first house, our first house, but your first house.
It's true.
And we got a little bit of work to do. This is our new home. It's been abandoned for the last 4 years. It's foreclosure, but it's in a beautiful spot. We're in Royston. We are not far from the ocean. The ocean is just down the road there. And yeah, we're going to fix this bad boy up, right?
And make her home.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
It's a little rough as we speak. As you can see, it needs a little
and
work.
the ghost just opened the door.
Yeah, they're just welcoming us in. We need to check for asbestos.
Yeah. We got some nice items that were left behind in the house that we're also gonna clean out and organize. And
yeah, we got a 350 Chevy engine in the driveway. If anybody's interested.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we got some work to do, but we're excited. I think it's gonna be good.
So much potential, unlimited potential, and
great location.
Great location, great neighborhood.
Yeah, the neighbors all seem super friendly. The area seems really cool.
Should we go inside?
We just have to make it not suck, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's give you guys
Let's go inside.
Quick little tour. Quick little tour. When it comes to being eco-friendly, it's hard to be perfect, but we can always be just a little bit greener. Welcome to the Westie, my 1990 Westphalia, where myself, Kareen, and Anderson will be living sometimes while we renovate this house. Now I know what you're thinking. Sweet place you bought there, Eli. Can't wait to come visit. And two, what does this have to do with greener? I'm glad you asked. You see, if you've watched my videos, they're usually DIY focused, DIY with that Eli guy, or environmentally focused, greener. This project allows me to combine the best of both worlds. It's a DIY project where we take it back to the studs and make it cool and something we love, but it's also a greener project because we're going to try and do these renovations as green as possible. My hope is that I inspire you, my dear viewers, to do the same with your future renovations. You see, I've become quite smitten with the idea of green building because the construction industry uses a lot of CO2. And by making some better choices, choosing some different materials, we can transform our homes from carbon emitting to carbon storing and have healthier homes that are actually cheaper to run. Sound like a fairy tale? Well, I guess we will see. A wise Yonkers philosopher, DMX, once said,
"Talk is cheap, motherfucker."
And that's very aggressive, but true. There's so many cool green building products that don't really catch on because nobody knows about them. They're hard to get. You can't just pick them up at your local big box store, so nobody finds out about them and they don't become popular. And if someone who's passionate about this kind of stuff, like myself, can't use these materials in their projects, how can I expect you to? If not me, then who? So here we are on this crazy greener renovation, and I hope you'll join us. I'm not gonna lie, I realize it's a hot mess right now, but come on in, take a look around. Alright, so it was built in the 1950s. We need to get rid of this trailer that was here.
Come on in. Welcome to our home.
Thank you. So this is the front entrance, which is kind of cool. It has this like peek-through window that goes into the kitchen. And which I think was kind of cool. Over top of the sink, you're doing some dishes, you can see somebody coming in. Oh, hello friends. Over here, as you can see, is the living room. It's got this cool chest, actually. That'll be great. Some sweet jean jacket. That's really why we bought the place.
I mean, I'd wash it and wear that.
There you go. See? Gift that keeps on giving. A sweet jacket.
Okay.
The sweet old Anderson's new jacket right there. There's a big bay window here, which is nice. And there's a gas fireplace. This would be the, I think this was a bedroom at one point, but it's kind of the dining room maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Come around to our kitchen.
Need some work. Basically, the deal with these places, when you buy foreclosure, or a lot of places now, out west anyways, it's as is, where is. So basically anything that is here is ours, including the cups and the recycling and the garbage.
The light touches is I actually don't hate this. Like, I wonder if there'd be a way to keep like just a section of it as a little nod to, if it fit, you hate it?
I'm not a huge fan. No.
I think like if it was just this section around the window or something and everything else was kind of modern and updated, I think it'd be really cute.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see. And I won't be upset if we don't,
But some of the cupboards I don't necessarily hate either.
I agree. If we can clean them up and just refinish them, yeah.
If they're wood, I don't know if these are wood or it might be. They've already been painted, so. The kitchen needs some love. Out here is where they have the fridge and stuff right now. Another door, you can go out to the backyard. And then, yeah, I can't really open the door anymore, but this is where the washer dryer was. This carpet is disgusting. It really needs to come out. It smells. And yeah, it's a little wet. And there's a lot of mouse poop on here, so mice love it. So we're gonna clean this up. But yeah, this was what they're using for laundry. We don't really want to start ripping stuff out yet until we figure out what is asbestos and what is not. But this is the current view from our back porch. Over there is a shed that we don't really know what's in yet, but we'll check that out. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is, which I think is going to become the office. And I think we take the closet out from that side and just make this whole thing a closet. You could just have all shelving on the one side in here. Pretty small room, but comes with a sweet fish. Here, this might be Anderson's bedroom. I don't hate this wallpaper, to be honest with you. Very vintage. Pretty sure this is the floor that we think is made out of asbestos, so we need to have it removed. And then I guess this will be the master bedroom. We were worried that there was somebody sleeping in here when we did the walkthrough. It's like, somebody in that bed curled up? But no, so we're probably gonna need a bigger closet.
Yeah, we do some creative built-ins or something.
How you feeling here, babe?
Good. I'm itching to get cleaning.
I know. I'm just
Itching.
not because of the place. She's just itching because she wants to start.
There's so much potential.
And then there's the bathroom. It's hard to show because it's small, but notice the partially obstructed window from the old shower install. Also features a wobbly toilet and some leftover supplies. So that was nice. All right, so what is behind mystery door number 2?
I'm just gonna back up in case it's like wild. Holy smokes.
So this is the
Tool
shed. So we might have some tools.
We definitely have some tools. We definitely have some paint.
Oh yeah, this might be my dream.
Just be careful. The floor looks real stable.
Yeah, I definitely should put my work boots on in here. But the good news is, there's some things that we'll be able to use. There's definitely going to be some cool tools in here. Explore that more later when I have my work boots on. Barefoot shoes, love them. Not great for exploring something that looks like it could fall down. Oh, some ski boots. Oh, sweet, a jack.
Oh my gosh, Eli, there's 2 more lawnmowers in here. There's 2 more lawnmowers. A bunch of gas cans in this shed.
Sweet. I don't know what the deal is with this.
No.
Like, that's where I thought maybe the septic tank is under this. Because it just seems like a random place to have a garden. This is our furnace room. I'm trying to figure out what the deal is. July 2007, maybe when it was installed. 2015 looks like there's a new tank and filter. So, you know, that's something. Light works. Heat would be nice. This looks like an oil tank.
Yeah, even what it says on it about like checking for water and oil.
But does it look like it's hooked up? As you can see, we've got a little bit of work to do. But honestly, I'm really pumped about this project. I think it's gonna be fun and we're gonna learn a ton along the way. So join us, please. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go on this greener renovation and see where it takes us. I'm not asking for perfection here, people. Let's just be a little bit better than yesterday.